Hey guys, I'm Sarah and I am going to show you very quickly the most epic, it's a cross between a toasted sandwich and a flatbread. Super quick, you make the bread and everything from scratch. I got the inspiration for this from Jamie Oliver. And I've kind of adapted the recipe a little bit to suit my needs. It couldn't be easier. And if you feel like a nice yummy warm lunch and you don't have any bread on hand, this is just super perfect. A bit of oil in a frying pan. Gonna turn that on. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. We want a little bit of lift and a bit of puffiness to this. So I just add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. In Jamie Oliver's version, he added some Greek yogurt and then mixed it up with water to bring it to the right consistency, which is awesome. I use flour and Greek yogurt to make all sorts of stuff, so that would work brilliantly. You could omit the yogurt and just use water. Me personally, because I do make my own Greek yogurt and I'm always left with whey, and I'm always looking for ways to use that, this is great. So I've got the whey that I've got from draining my Greek yogurt out. Just use water if you want to, but I use this, you know, it's got plenty of protein and stuff in it. It's good for you. So I'm going to chuck this in. And as I'm slowly pouring this, I'm just going to keep stirring it. So I just want to get it to the right consistency. We don't want it to be like a bread dough. We want it to be a bit runnier than that. There is almost what we're after. Gonna put a bit more in. Not quite bread dough, but not quite so that you can free flow pour it, if that makes any sense. There we go, that there is a pretty good consistency. Just like that. So there we go. That looks disgusting. Trust me, it's good. So I'm just going to pour this in and spread it out. I'm actually going to turn the heat off there because I turned it up a little bit too high. No, I got overexcited. We're going to start adding ingredients now and add whatever you want to. There are no rules. Me personally, I love loading stuff like this up with veggies and salady stuff. So I'm just going to chop some tomato, just put it on, half of it. So we're going to fold it over a bit like an omelette. Got some spring onion here. Sprinkle that over. A lot of people will think I'm weird, but I've recently developed an obsession with pickled gherkins. So, and a bit of ham, just going to dice it up. Of course you can put, I mean, well, you can put anything in there, but you can put mustard, tomato sauce in, a bit of barbecue sauce, whatever. You've got to have cheese, don't you? You can't have a toastie without cheese, that's illegal. Of course you can get fancy and use a mixture of cheeses, but you know, just a bit of good old Edam. Just going to fold this over. Oh, look at that. Squish it down a bit. And we're just going to give this, let's flip that over. Yeah. And we're just going to give this maybe 2 minutes on each side, just so that the rest of that dough cooks in. You know, all the stuff on the inside gets nice and warm, the cheese gets nice and melty, and I mean, really, that's done and dusted. That's lunch done and dusted in about 10 minutes, if that, easy. Look at that. Get straight into that. That there is good stuff. Now, considering this, none of this bread or anything existed 10 minutes ago. I mean, that is epic. You know, the bread itself, hang on, I'll get a taste without any filling. It's fine. You know, it's gonna taste of what you put in it, but it's just because of that baking powder in there, it just makes it fluff up. That cooks beautifully, lovely and crunchy on the outside, wonderfully gooey and cheesy in the middle. It is amazing. It is epic. I just tried this last week and I had to do it again for a video because it's amazing. So give that a go, people. Hit like, leave me a comment, subscribe. Seriously, make this so good. All right, bye.